Continuing his momentum ahead of the upcoming ADC polls, Suraj Debbarma, the Tipra Motha candidate for the 18th Takarjala-Jampuijala constituency, conducted a massive door-to-door outreach program in the North Takarjala area on Monday. Marking the third day of his intensive election campaign, Suraj Debbarma visited numerous households to discuss local grievances and the party's vision for the region. The candidate focused on personal interactions, listening to the concerns of villagers and explaining the importance of the April 12 election for the indigenous community. The campaign witnessed a strong turnout of supporters, with voters reportedly offering a warm and positive reception to the candidate. Speaking to the media during the drive, Suraj Debbarma expressed immense satisfaction with the feedback from the ground.
Tining ka saltam romai angoro dur tu dur khai tongo Chini amtoli udoy jomudar romai orang ka jotona ani taku bukhurok mang aboni bagai borok siu hapen bor anan nugya ko sakbai thangya ko nei ang boro malai te tini oro Chini habu bagrani je bini naikol phungni bisingte je prosar khaina bai ang tinoro buskango 12 tarikh chongbariwa andro somari budin tinoro ujan jomudar amtoli khai tin tinoro tabu prai phungni ekdom satane simi tabu almost 11ta tamai tongo oro tini bebang para guru okra sakarani jotone hamari nawai bebang no kahamunai ni ang poito khlayo tang de oroni borok jotone siwo oroni borok belaino dofana hamjang bisingte sini mohangkai o jaga no haisi Takarjala Jampuijala tamo jomudar tamo amtoli obongkha dofani sini mong o Takarjala amsaingkha pura ancholik minded te dofana puchugo tisan bagai jotone buskang agokja
buskangni salogni bagai lukorong tam ko khatan mutana nin phajing
ang pula buskang saleba ang lukorong amon konyam busungo thancha tongdi baksa tongdi tang hindi sal hangke pal karon sal no kebo mechen mania manang no kebo mechen mania abon buskang tei sung tumono thancha tong hangang kai bebang no Chini je buskang je bubagra tangbaya samno je Chini maharaja bir bikram tangbaya barong tangbaya bara sam tangi tong Chini tabuni maharaj bini tangbaya ronobo sung buskango asas nungnai tei kuchungnai and Tipra ni bagai jara dokol khaine ri wansu no dokol khaya khaine ni bagai sung jotesto try khai chesta khai thancha ni bisingte sung no kaplai nai Tipra Motha kaplainga Tipra san kaplainga buskango ADC hapam khanai abu nor kuno ma nangya kaisa no kok thancha tongli haisi thancha no bisingte thancha no ragnang thung thancha kaisa butupsa motha sangai sung buskango ma ko bani
lukorongni respon buti mandra
lukorongni respon very positive ang koina na no se baksa lukorong sung di boron bom he positive ang to borong na adai khayo se andro somario budui kaplai khaitin fiaba je lukurongni positive abono tin nukha kha khayo highest margin ma nei or polling station hoite oro tekebo mane opposition hai oro lang nus no jage hai kri hai ma to Tipra Motha long live YTF long live
Pure Report, Chini Khorang.